In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a responsive website in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or an experienced designer looking to polish your skills, stay tuned for a comprehensive guide that walks you through creating a sleek and adaptable website. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your project in Webflow. Once your project is open, the next step is to add a section. Inside this section, you'll want to place a container. This container acts as the foundational block where you'll build the rest of your website elements. It ensures your content remains centered and maintains a consistent structure across different devices. Now, inside that container, it's time to start adding essential elements such as a nav bar. This is a great starting point because a navigation bar is a critical part of most websites, guiding your users to various sections easily. Once you have your elements in place, head over to the Style panel located on the right side of your screen. The Style panel is your go-to place for customizing these elements. Here you can adjust the dimensions, border, background, and more to bring your design to life. Utilizing classes is crucial in Webflow. By assigning classes to elements, you ensure that your styling is reusable across multiple parts of your site. This makes the designing process more efficient and helps maintain consistency throughout your project. Next, we'll set some key design attributes. Start by choosing your fonts. Webflow allows you to select from a wide range of web-safe fonts or integrate with fonts from Google to match your branding perfectly. Color plays a massive role in the feel of your site, so take the time to set your primary and secondary colors. These will be applied to elements like text, backgrounds, and buttons to give your site a cohesive and professional look. Don't forget about spacing. Adjusting padding and margins is essential to ensure that elements have enough room to breathe, making your layout visually appealing. You can fine-tune these settings in the Style panel to align with your design needs. Another vital aspect is alignment. Make use of Flexbox or grid layouts to arrange your elements precisely. These tools give you flexibility in how items on your site align in relation to one another, creating a balanced appearance. Now comes the pivotal part of making your site responsive. Begin by clicking on the device icon at the top of the designer. This feature allows you to see how your design translates across different screen sizes, from desktops to tablets and mobile devices. Adjust the layout, font size, and spacing as needed to ensure everything looks great no matter the device. Utilizing Flexbox and grid layouts can significantly aid in helping your elements rearrange gracefully when the screen size changes. And if necessary, take advantage of hiding or showing certain elements based on breakpoints. This means you can tailor your site's appearance to specific devices, enhancing the user experience by only displaying relevant content. By following these steps, you'll have a responsive website crafted in Webflow that stands out on any device. Thank you for joining today, and happy designing!